Hi, in this lesson, we're going to talk about selecting multiple ranges of non-adjacent data. So we have two tables here. We're going to select this table, and that is one range of data. Now, if I wanted to select multiple ranges of non-adjacent data, let's say I wanted to select the first part of this table, and I wanted to exclude this row for 60628. If I go to try and select this section as well, the first selection doesn't stay selected. So what do? Well, there is a trick. We're going to select the first section. We're going to hold down our Control key, and then we will make our second selection, just like that. So now we have selected two ranges of non-adjacent data. Let's go ahead and let's copy it. And if we come over here, we can paste it. And you see, it pasted just fine. There's no row for 60628. It just painted the ranges that were selected. And of course, that would work if I wanted to, say, select the entire table here and this table below. We can select those two ranges. We can copy. We can paste. And it took out the blank rows in between them, but everything pasted just fine. Now, let's go ahead, let's go to another workbook. Let's go to this one here, employees, and let's select a range of data. Say we want to, let's grab the first 30 rows, okay? Now, let's say we want to exclude row 6 here for Frida Smith. Well, we could do the same thing we just did. We could try and select like that, hold down my Control key, and select like that, and that would work. But I want to show you another trick because it might be a little bit easier for you to select that range and then deselect the data you want to exclude. So let's go ahead. We've got our range selected. I'm going to hold down my Control key again, and I'm going to select that row 6, or I should say deselect row 6. See, just like that. Now let's pick another one. Let's go ahead and let's deselect 13, Cheryl Hayes. All right, now we can copy. And again, notice that all three ranges have the dashed line around them. And if we come over here and we paste, everything pasted just fine. We don't see row 6 for Frida Smith. We also don't see row 13 for Cheryl Hayes. So that worked quite well. Now, one last thing I want to show you. I just want you to be aware of this. Let's say you've selected a range and you want to deselect individual cells. Let's say we want to get rid of this one, and maybe this one, maybe this one. Grab a couple of them here, like that. This isn't going to work. If I go ahead and click copy, see that Excel's not going to let me copy it. This action won't work on multiple selections. And that's because it doesn't want to copy and paste this range with holes in it, if you will. You have to deselect an entire row or an entire column to be able to copy and paste. So now you know a little bit more about selecting multiple ranges of non-adjacent data. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.